Hey, bird. Oh, it's getting dark. This one over here is killing it with the fish. A great blue heron and the regal osprey. I can't see. This is probably gonna sit there all night. Bird. Bird, I gotta go inside. It's getting dark. I'll have to go in at night when it's dark. Did your mama teach you that, bird? Oh, bird, I gotta go. Good night, bird.